Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 online business ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom in 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or build a full-fledged online empire, we've got you covered. These ideas span a variety of industries and skill levels, so there's something here for everyone. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the first idea. Without further ado, let's jump into our first online business idea, starting a dropshipping store. First up, let's talk about starting a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. It's low risk and has a relatively low startup cost, making it perfect for beginners. To get started, choose a niche. Look for products that are in demand but not overly saturated. Tools like Google Trends and market research sites can help you narrow down your options. Find reliable suppliers on websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket. Set up your store on an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Drive traffic to your store through social media marketing, SEO, and paid ads. Focus on creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience to build trust and brand loyalty. Keep an eye on your analytics to understand what's working and what needs improvement. By tracking your sales and customer behavior, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your store for better performance. Next on our list is creating an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, why not share it with the world and make money in the process? Identify a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that others are interested in learning. Conduct market research to ensure there's a demand for your course. Outline the course content and break it down into modules or sections. Create engaging and informative content using videos, slides, and quizzes. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera make it easy to host and sell your course. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Consider offering a free webinar or a sample lesson to attract potential students. Gather feedback from your students to improve your course. Our third idea is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Choose a niche that you're passionate about to create content and promote products authentically. Find affiliate programs on websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Content creation is key to successful affiliate marketing. Create valuable content through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Drive traffic to your content using SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your audience. This builds trust and ensures you comply with legal requirements. The key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value and being honest with your recommendations. The more traffic you generate, the higher your chances of making sales and earning commissions. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value and being honest with your recommendations. Fourth on our list is freelance writing. There's a growing demand for content writers as businesses continue to expand their online presence. Build a portfolio showcasing your writing skills with blog posts, articles, or other content. Consider writing guest posts for blogs or creating content for your own blog to build your portfolio. Look for clients on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Tailor your proposals to each client and highlight your relevant experience. Providing samples of your work can also increase your chances of landing a job. Focus on delivering high-quality work and meeting deadlines to build a good reputation. Consider specializing in a particular niche to stand out from the competition. Whether it's tech writing, health writing, or copywriting, having a niche can make you more attractive to potential clients. Our fifth idea is print on demand. This business model allows you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, which are printed and shipped by a third-party supplier only when an order is placed. Choose a niche and create designs that appeal to your target audience. Tools like Canva and Adobe Illustrator can help you create high-quality designs. Choose a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Teespring, or Printify. Focus on marketing your products through social media, influencer marketing, and paid ads. High-quality product images and engaging descriptions can also boost your sales. Consider offering limited-time promotions or discounts to attract customers. Customer reviews and testimonials can help build trust and encourage more sales. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback to continuously optimize your store for better performance. Next, let's talk about virtual assistant services. As more businesses operate online, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing. Identify the services you can offer based on your skills and experience. Create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find clients. Consider taking online courses to improve your skills and increase your marketability. Networking is also important. Join online communities and forums for virtual assistants. Reach out to businesses directly to offer your services. Focus on delivering high-quality work and maintaining clear communication with clients. Building a good reputation is crucial for getting repeat clients and growing your business. Consider specializing in a particular industry to stand out from the competition. Seventh on our list is blogging. Starting a blog can be a great way to share your passions and expertise while making money online. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Conduct keyword research to understand what topics people are searching for in your niche. Choose a blogging platform like WordPress for its flexibility and extensive plugin ecosystem. Start creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Use SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines and drive organic traffic to your blog. Monetize your blog through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience through comments and social media. Building a loyal readership is crucial for the long-term success of your blog. Consistency is key, so make sure to publish new content regularly. The more traffic you generate, the higher your chances of making sales and earning commissions. Next up, creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the largest platforms for video content and offers great opportunities for monetization. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Research what types of content are popular in your niche and identify gaps that you can fill with your unique perspective. Set up your YouTube channel and start creating high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment like a camera, microphone, and lighting to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Consistency is key on YouTube, so create a content schedule and stick to it. Engage with your audience through comments and social media to build a loyal following. Monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Consider diversifying your income by offering merchandise or online courses. Ninth on our list is social media management. As businesses realize the importance of having a strong online presence, the demand for social media managers is growing. Build your own social media profiles to showcase your skills. Create engaging content and grow your following to demonstrate your ability to manage social media accounts effectively. Look for clients on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Reach out to businesses directly or join online communities and job boards for social media professionals. Focus on creating a social media strategy that aligns with your clients' business goals. Consider specializing in a particular platform such as Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes to keep your strategies effective. Taking online courses and attending webinars can help you stay ahead in this fast-paced industry. Lastly, let's talk about setting up an e-commerce store. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce store can be a profitable business venture. Choose a niche and decide what products you want to sell. Conduct market research to understand the demand and competition in your chosen niche. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Focus on product sourcing, either by creating your own products or sourcing them from suppliers. Marketing is crucial for the success of your e-commerce store. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. High-quality product images and engaging descriptions can also boost your sales. Consider offering promotions and discounts to attract customers. Customer reviews and testimonials can help build trust and encourage more sales. Continuously optimize your store based on analytics and customer feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video. Remember, these online business ideas are just the beginning. With dedication and hard work, you can turn any of these ideas into a successful venture. The online business world is constantly evolving, and staying adaptable is key to long-term success. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated.